When you receive your cold therapy unit, you'll remove it from the box. First, you have a packet that has your pad and strap kit. There's a divider, an instruction sheet, and the cold therapy unit itself. Now that we removed everything from the box, we'll go over the pieces that's included. You have an instruction sheet. Inside your pad package, we're going to remove the universal pad itself and the strap kit. To open the lid on the unit itself, we're going to depress this red button and lift, set the lid aside. Inside is a white box. This will house the power cord. To prepare the unit for use, there is a fill line marked on the inside of the container. You're going to first fill to the line with ice and then fill to the line with water. At that point, we'll re-engage the lid by placing the tab on the forward edge and pushing down at the red locking tab. Try to move the lid to make sure that it is locked in place. Inside your pad kit, you have your instruction diagram and 3 straps. Use the diagram to locate the affected area to apply the pad correctly. Now that you have your pad applied, make sure that the straps are not too tight. This will impede the water flow and cause the pad to not cool correctly. If the shipping covers are still on the pad, remove those now and discard them. In order to attach the hose itself, we're going to uncoil it from the machine. And attach the 2 lines. They simply push into place and click. Pull them and make sure that they are in place. If you are unsure, you can push the silver tabs to unhook them and push them in place again. Once you have the unit filled with ice and water and the pad is installed, apply power by plugging in the cord and the unit will run.